Hello students, let us see this problem from TIFR. In this problem, you have been given uh, a function. Okay, so this is resistivity varies as rho zero exponential delta power t. So now here delta can be anything, like it can be band gap, T is a temperature. So it says the error in delta is 2% and error in temperature T if for particular measurement is 3%. So now you want to calculate the percentage error in the resistivity. So let us calculate the percentage error in the resistivity. So now, because here in the question, delta, there's no relation delta and t. Okay, so there is no correlation is given in delta t, so we can directly apply the variance standard deviation in the resistivity is given by this formula. Okay, now we have to calculate delta rho by delta t and delta rho by delta del, which we can calculate, and we can put it plug this value in this expression. So after some simplification, we get this one. And now the uncertainty or error in the temperature is given 3%, that is 0.03, and delta is given 0.02, that will become 9 upon 10 to the power 4, and this become 4 upon 10 to the power 4. And for a particular measurement where delta is 50 and 100, the percentage error in the resistivity comes out to be 1.8%, and this is given as option A. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Thank you very much.